The FOMC meeting will be held tomorrow. Here you can see it on the clock in 1 day and 4 hours. And how bad will this impact the Bitcoin price and also the price of a lot of other coins out there? I will give you my insight, what I believe is going to happen according to data that we have available at the FOMC meeting, and how this will impact the market. So you should definitely stick around, and also a lot of interesting charts again prepared for all of you guys here. So definitely stick around and make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And now let's get here straight into the Bitcoin chart. So here on the 1 hourly chart, we can observe right now that Bitcoin is forming a potential falling broadening wedge here. So because we have here clear resistance on this downward sloping line, and we have also clear resistance on this downwards sloping line at the bottom of that falling wedge. So normally we should get one more touch here close to the bottom before we see another move upwards and breaking out of it. So, and that could be tomorrow the case with the OMCE meeting if this is not going as it should be. So, and what I mean by that is, it is expected that at the FOMC meeting we see another rise of 0.75 basis points. That is expected. This is already priced in. But if we go higher than that, if we go in for any reason higher than that, then we will see another drop in the Bitcoin price. So if we go just to 0.75, then I think that will be a bullish outcome, where Bitcoin, no matter where Bitcoin will be, see another small rally to the upside and potentially breaking out of this falling broadening wedge. So the target of the falling broadening wedge is always the top of it, so which is here close to $21,000. And I believe if we come close to this level again and we break higher, that we actually will also hit one of our targets here at $21,150. So right now the Bitcoin price is sitting interestingly at a big support level, and that is exactly here. So we are just sitting there and potentially breaking this level here if we don't see a bounce from here. But the candle just opened. It happens a lot that when a candle is just opening, that we see 5 minutes to 15 minutes the price going into a different direction where it should be, and then it comes up and goes higher here again. So we should be closely watching this here. So, and once we are breaking out of this broadening falling wedge, there we can open a long position here once again. Remember guys, I told you a couple days back I would not open a long position unless we are breaking here $20,900. So, and I stick to this, that we should not open any long positions before that, just to be safe and trade accordingly. So also here on the 1 hourly chart, we can see the bearish divergence here has played out. That's why we are at the prices that we see here right now. It was just a small one. So, but in my opinion, so this has already completely played out. So we can delete this from here for the time being. So when we go then to the daily chart for Bitcoin, there we can see that the Bitcoin price is right now consolidating here in this area. So after this massive pump that we have seen here to the upside, so that's absolutely fine. And also that we are sitting here at that support box between $20,400 and $20,290 approximately. So as long as we are not breaking this to the downside, I remain here bullish for the next couple of days for Bitcoin. But we should also not forget, if I go here to a 4 hourly chart, that we have here this potential double top that a lot of people are already talking about. So, and we are also sitting not at the neckline yet of it, because this is down here at $20,050. So, but if we break here to $20,400, then most likely we will go all the way down here. If we break this, then we can have a look how bad this could be for Bitcoin. So, but it will be definitely bad. So that would bring us back to $19,000, almost to the exact dollar. So that is something that we 100% don't want to see to be happening here. So, but I had to point this out that we have here this potential double top formation on the 4-hourly chart, and yeah, we will most likely test the neckline of it down here if we break here now into lower levels. So would I short this? No, I would not short this. Would I short the double top when we break the neckline? Yes, 100%. I would short this all the way down here to $19,400. It's a $600 spread. It's 3%. With 20x leverage, this is 60% that you can earn here quite easy. So when we go here to the daily chart with the double bottom formation, then we see we got now rejected from the neckline here. That doesn't mean that this cannot still play out, but we have to reclaim $20,530. Otherwise, if we go here any lower, then the double bottom will be most likely invalidated. So, but I see here another pattern, and I'm sure nobody else has yet talked about this on YouTube, and that is a potential cup and handle pattern. It's not the most beautiful one, especially not with my way of drawing it. So, but you get the picture, you know. So if this would be playing out, so then we take this from approximately here to the cup, here to the handle. So that would give us a target of $22,366 if we break here the handle to the upside, which is sitting right now at $20,650. So that is also something that I'm watching closely here for the next couple of days. If we can maintain to stay here in this downwards trending channel and break this to the upside with a lot of volume, that we can be also sure this was a volume supported breakout. So then I wanted to show you guys. So guys, this was an amazing trade. Congratulations to everyone that was able to take this. I had told you guys I would open a long position all the way from here, from the 0.618, from the golden ratio. So if you would have done that, we would have hit our target here all the way up at 15 cents. It actually went a little bit higher. So there guys, congratulations to everybody that was able to catch this trade that I was predicting just 2 days ago. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade with me together and make money off the free calls that I'm giving here absolutely for free, then go to BYBIT. There you still get $4,800 in free bonuses only with my specific link here, or on BitGet still $8,000 also only with my link. And also on BitGet, if you're in the US, you can sign up with no KYC, no VPN, and you will get $20 absolutely for free just for signing up in Bitcoin, but only with this specific link. So definitely take advantage of both offers because this is just free money lying around. So definitely check this out and join the free Telegram chat where I post every other day all the trades that I'm taking myself, like this Dogecoin one. So definitely check this out. So but now for Dogecoin, where might be the next level where we would be heading? So I believe we could come back to 15 cents, and if we can form support above 15 cents, then Dogecoin will most likely go to the 1.618 and the 1.65, the next golden ratio level at 21 cents ish. So that could be also an amazing trade opportunity, but I would definitely wait for Dogecoin to form support above 15 cents. Let's see if we form support already here where we are right now. Let's see on the 1 hourly chart. Yes, you see the 0.618 is already a good support level. So, and here the next level is 13 cents 0.1. So there also we have already found some sort of support, but yeah, so the other level here, the one is right now the resistance. So yeah, so let's watch this closely, what is happening. So, but you can potentially open a trade at 13 cents ish. that could be a good level to open a new long position and trade this all the way up to the 1.618. So then let's have a quick look on Ethereum. Here, almost similar to Dogecoin, we are still fighting with the golden ratio here to stay within it. We are slightly beneath it, but this is also due to the Bitcoin price, because they are still heavily correlated. If Bitcoin goes down, Ethereum goes down. So, but if we can close this daily candle that we have here right now within the golden ratio, I would consider this bullish, and potentially also here a new Ethereum trade to the one level of the Fibonacci extensions. So, and otherwise, if we are not closing within the golden ratio, then a new long opportunity would be here at the top of the EMA ribbon, as this one is already flipping bullish here on the daily chart, so that we go back in an uptrend. So, but here has still the retest to be happening, so, and of course also a bounce from that, so that we can be 100% sure that Ethereum is now here maintaining a healthy uptrend trajectory. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments here once again what you believe is going to happen tomorrow at the FOMC meeting. I will try to live stream this. I have a lot of meetings tomorrow and a lot of calls, but I will try to live stream this and also to do some live trades with you together based on the outcome of the FOMC meeting. So definitely stick around for that, and don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll see you then again tomorrow.